Think you're ready for winter? Guess again. The cold doesn't forgive mistakes. But with the right gear, you don't just survive. You own the season. In today's 20 next-level gadgets, we've got everything from heated jackets to snow-ready coffee makers. And one standout gear steals the show. A true game changer you simply can't skip. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Wise Owl Blanket. Snow falls steadily as night settles over camp, the fire fading to embers while the cold creeps in. That's when the Wise Owl camping blanket becomes your shield against the chill. Built with ripstop nylon and synthetic down-like insulation, it locks in warmth even when wet. Lightweight, water-resistant, and incredibly versatile, it's the all-season comfort essential every winter camper should have by their side. Number 19. Milwaukee Heated Jacket. Snow pelts your jacket, the wind cutting like a blade as the temperature keeps dropping. Every move feels heavier, colder, until the Milwaukee M12 heated jacket flips the odds. Powered by carbon fiber heating zones and tough shell stretch fabric, it traps warmth while keeping you agile. Built for endurance, silence, and relentless cold, this jacket turns freezing missions into unstoppable momentum. Number 18. LILYPELLE Heated Seat. The wind bites through layers as you sit beside a frozen lake, watching snowflakes drift across camp. Comfort seems impossible until the LILYPELLE double heated seat powers up beneath you, wrapping warmth through your back and legs. With dual zone heating, 6 reclining positions, and a thick, insulated design, it transforms cold, hard benches into cozy havens, keeping you warm, steady, and ready for every winter adventure. Number 17. Big Buddy Heater. The night drops below freezing, and your breath hangs heavy in the still air. Inside the tent, every move feels slower, colder, until you fire up the Big Buddy heater. With powerful radiant heat and a whisper-quiet burn, it turns icy camps into cozy shelters. Built with safety shutoffs, rugged portability, and 3 heat levels, it's the trusted companion that brings warmth back to the wild. Number 16. Winter Face Mask. The kind of blizzard that blinds you in a matter of seconds and burns your face with every gust comes in quickly. The WTCTFUL Winter Face Mask comes in handy at that point. Built with breathable air vents to prevent fogging and freezing, it seals out the cold while staying flexible and secure. Whether you're skiing, riding, or hiking through icy winds, this mask keeps your focus sharp and your face protected. Number 15. Hyperlite Backpack. Blizzards close in fast on the mountain, snow swirling as every ounce of strength counts on the climb. That's when the Hyperlite Headwall 55 Backpack proves its worth. Built from Dyneema composite fabric to endure brutal cold, wind, and terrain. With reinforced side panels, streamlined storage, and weatherproof durability, it's engineered for adventurers who demand lightweight performance and reliability when winter turns unforgiving. Number 14. Merino Thermal Shirt. The wind cuts like a blade as you set up camp in the heart of winter, every breath crystallizing in the air. In moments like these, the Smartwool Intranet Thermal Merino shirt wraps you in warmth, a soft, breathable barrier built to conquer the cold. Its natural insulation and moisture-wicking fibers keep you warm, dry, and ready for anything, delivering all-day comfort with zero itch, no matter how harsh the cold gets. Number 13. Baffin Footwear. The temperature plunges as you trek through knee-deep snow, every gust cutting sharper than the last. In these brutal conditions, the Baffin Snow Monster Boot becomes your ultimate ally. Designed for Arctic extremes, yet light enough for all-day movement. With polar-proven insulation, waterproof protection, and unmatched flexibility, it keeps you warm, dry, and unstoppable when winter shows no mercy. Tested on Baffin Island and trusted in real Arctic worksites. Number 12. Zippo Hand Warmer. Every breath turns to frost as the mountain wind bites at your hands. In moments like these, the Zippo Heat Bank Hand Warmer comes to life. Compact, powerful, and built to keep your fingers alive in the freezing wild. With dual-sided heat up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 6 adjustable levels, it delivers instant warmth while doubling as a power bank, keeping both your hands and your devices alive through the harshest winter conditions. Number 11. DOACE Heated Vest. Snow falls heavier by the minute, the cold cutting through layers as you fight to keep moving. That's when the DOACE Heated Vest proves its power. Engineered with 8 carbon fiber heating zones across your back, belly, shoulders, and waist. Its triple control system lets you adjust warmth where you need it most, delivering long-lasting heat, flexibility, and safety, turning freezing survival into pure comfort. Number 10. Wacaco Espresso Maker. Dawn breaks over a frost-covered campsite, your breath clouding the air as silence blankets the wild. And just then, the Wacaco portable espresso maker hums to life, brewing rich espresso with a single touch, turning the cold into comfort. Compact yet powerful, it heats and extracts with precision, offering barista-level flavor anywhere. Whether you're miles from civilization or deep in the snow, it delivers warmth, energy, and a taste of luxury in every sip. Number 9. Winter Beanie Hat. Every breath is a puff of mist in the icy air as you hike through frozen trails, the wind cutting like a knife. At that point, the winter beanie hat's soft, double-layered acrylic effectively retains warmth where it's most needed. With a cuffed brim and sleek visor, it shields you from glare and frost alike, keeping your head warm, your style sharp, and your focus locked on the journey ahead. Number 8. PHOOZY Phone Case. Your phone's battery warning flashes red as the temperature drops, visibility deteriorates, and snow swirls around you. At that point, the PHOOZY thermal phone case is useful. Engineered with NASA-inspired insulation, it shields your device from freezing temperatures and battery drain, while its military-grade shell guards against snow and impact. A small piece of tech that keeps your lifeline alive through every icy adventure. Number 7. Therm-a-Rest Sleeping Bag. Snowflakes hammer the tent walls, your breath turning to frost as the temperature plummets. In that frozen silence, the Therm-a-Rest Sleeping Bag steps up as your ultimate defense against the cold. Its warm zip design locks in heat, hydrophobic down stays dry through moisture and snow, and multi-use armholes keep movement easy. Built tough, insulated, smart, and crafted for true winter warriors, this bag doesn't just keep you warm, it keeps you going. Number 6. Unigear Camp Stove. Snow whips across your campsite, and the cold bites deep as you struggle to light a fire. That's when the Unigear wood-burning stove proves its worth. Compact, durable, and built from premium stainless steel to handle the harshest winter conditions. Its windproof design and multi-fuel capability turn twigs or coal into steady heat, giving you a reliable flame for cooking, warmth, and survival when nature shows no mercy. Number 5. AGOOL Ice Cleats. On the slippery, icy ground, every step feels risky. One mistake, and the cold takes over. At that point, the AGOOL Ice Cleats are vital. With tough steel studs and flexible elastic overshoes that grip the frozen terrain, plus adjustable straps for a locked-in fit, they keep every step steady, safe, and confident, no matter how brutal the winter gets. Number 4. Smartwool Ski Socks. The wind howls down the mountain as you tighten your boots, ready to face another frozen descent. But when the cold bites hardest, Smartwool Ski Socks keep your feet warm, dry, and blister-free. Crafted from moisture-wicking merino wool with targeted cushioning, they regulate temperature and resist odor. Whether carving through powder or trekking back to camp, these socks deliver next-level comfort for every winter adventure. Number 3. Inferno Hammock System. Snowdrifts swirl beneath a canopy of frozen pines, and the night air cuts sharper than ice. But inside the Inferno hammock system, warmth wraps around you like a cocoon. Its thermally engineered top and under quilt trap heat with precision, while the Stretch Tech design eliminates cold spots. Lightweight, weather-resistant, and quick to set up, it turns bitter winter nights into a cozy, elevated escape. Number 2. Heating gloves. The cold bites hard as you set up camp, fingers stiff and numb before the fire's even lit. That's when Heat Pro heating gloves change everything. Warming up in seconds with carbon fiber heat tech and an LED temperature display that keeps you in control. Windproof, waterproof, and touchscreen ready, these gloves deliver next-level comfort and precision, letting you master winter instead of suffering through it. Number 1. Snowboard Goggles. The mountain roars to life as a snowstorm sweeps in, turning every run into a battle against the elements. Visibility fades, but the EXP vision. Snow goggles cut through the chaos with unmatched clarity. Their panoramic Revo lens, anti-fog protection, and feather-light comfort keep your vision sharp and your focus steady, letting you ride harder, faster, and further, no matter how fierce the winter gets. That wraps up our list of next-level winter camping gear built to keep you warm, safe, and unstoppable. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment, hit like, and stay tuned for more epic gear roundups.